I'm going to assume that it's broken. I wouldn't stand like that. You might get smarter. Why not stand back a foot or two? You know, if you stood back a foot or two, I don't want you ruining my day by me running you over. Seton Grove Fire Department, Squad 6. I haven't been down to Seton Grove in a while. Why don't we pull out a little more? Why don't we do that? Why don't we do that? Safe driving. We didn't even bother to look left. We just pull out. Back to 50, and it's going to be dropping it to 45 soon. We're going to hold 45. We're going to drive safely into the Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. Flashing lights ahead. You think somebody forgot to drop down to 45? Or is it worse than that? Sheriff, you're giving a ticket to somebody. You're giving a ticket to somebody. I think they caught somebody they were looking for. I don't think that was a traffic stop. Too many sheriff's cars. That's a guess. Steve AB4L, just being too nosy, saying see you in 73.